Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. We are a few days away from the official announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series lineup. Now, according to the latest preliminary news data, an insider has revealed all the specs of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, including a new camera with ProVisual Engine, the highest hours of video playback, a long-lasting battery, and more. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Details about the capabilities of the new flagship Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone, which will feature an advanced camera with the company's ProVisual Engine, have surfaced online. The configuration will include a 12-megapixel front module, a 200-megapixel main sensor with 2x lossless zoom, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, as well as two telephoto lenses, a 50-megapixel module with 5x optical zoom, and support for 10x hybrid zoom, and an additional 10-megapixel module with 3x optical zoom. The use of a customized Qualcomm system-on-chip is emphasized. NPU performance is reported to be up to 39%, GPU performance up to 24%, and CPU performance up to 19%, compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The emphasis is on accelerating AI tasks and improving graphics. The battery capacity will be 5000 mAh. Support for ultra-fast charging is claimed. On the other hand, in addition, the flagship received a new power supply system. New reports claim that Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra charges to 75% in 30 minutes. New 60 watts charging test results revealed. Tech leaker Ice Universe published test results of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with the new 60-watt charging system. According to the data, the smartphone can recharge from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. Testing was conducted under controlled conditions, as Samsung specifically emphasizes. This is a lab environment that eliminates external factors that could affect charging speed, including device temperature, battery health, and background load. In real-world use, performance may vary, either up or down. There have been so many leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S27 smartphones lately that the company has decided to take action. As we reported earlier, Samsung has announced the release of its signature ringtone in 2026, called Over the Horizon. Samsung is expected to announce its S26 series on February 25, with pre-sales starting March 5 and open sales rumored for March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.